Hello everyone. So another news is out from Honda. The new 2021 Honda Grom has been announced. Now, nothing major is being changed in terms of the mechanical aspects of the bike, but as we can see here, some new colors are there in, and the slight, cosmetic changes. That's all I see. I don't see anything major being changed. The best part about it is though the speed remains the same, everything else, but they have announced a racing kit for the 2021 Honda Grom. Now it's already available in the Japanese market, but expected to be in the US market sometime in March, April 2021. So it would be exciting to see. It looks pretty good, the racing kit, but I would like to see how it looks in real. Now the thing is, I do like, these small Grom and monkeys, and would love to have one in my garage. What do you like? I mean, from the looks point of view, I definitely like the monkey more than the Grom always. But I believe, for the more sportier kind of feeling, it's the Grom is there, and for a relaxed riding position, the monkey is there. But for me, like I said, I definitely like the monkey look. I believe the 125cc, the classic look, is comes with the monkey. Definitely any day I would say the monkey is my preference over the Grom. But feel free to let me know in the comments below if you ever had the chance, would you go for the monkey or the Grom? Thank you for watching this video.